Well, guys, Ray made us jealous yesterday. We watched his video, so we had to go on and cook some steaks up. That's what's for dinner, New York strip. We're out at the pool having fun today, so come home, cook up some steaks. As you can see, we got some dark clouds coming. I was just flying to Holloway, 9:03. Thank you, Chris. I still have fun with it, man. Line of sight. That's my little line of sight monster. I put the FPV back on it, but I got to adjust the camera. It's just a little bit blurry. So,
and honey,
no problem.
I'm going to take your advice, and I'm going to dance in the rain, but I'm going to watch out for the lightning.
Who's hungry?
Wish you guys had smell-o-vision.
One out, flew 2 packs today. Two 3S packs. Want to take the 3S, get used to that bird now, because like I said, it's not the Wizard no more. So, all it's got is the Wizard PDB and the Wizard flight controller. Everything else has been replaced, so eventually that will be replaced too. But yep, we're going to have some rain here, so I figured better going and get dinner done, even if we're not going to eat right away. Which I like to eat steak as soon as it's done. The only way to eat it.
No, you got to let it rest a little.
Well, rest just a little, but you know what I mean. And I hate when you take them out and put them in the fridge for a couple days, and was it the oxygen in the meter, whatever, it starts to turn a little bit. I hate that. But they're still good. I used to throw stuff away when it got like that, and the guy from the butcher shop said, no, that's still awesome. So, Crystal didn't tell me no different.
You gotta blame everything on me.
Don't I? Alright guys, just thought I'd share with you what was for dinner. Steak and baked potatoes. Who wants some? Come on, get it. I'll let you have mine, half of mine at least. Come on with it.